Hi guys! Welcome to our channel, Fluidity of Life. We're cooking again and it's a pasta dish. It's a zucchini pasta sauce by Meghan Markle. If you're a fan of Meghan, wanna try this recipe, or even if you're not a fan of Meghan, sounds really delicious. It only needs zucchini, half of this Maggi bouillon, olive oil to saute the onions and the zucchini, and a cup of water, but it needs to be cooked for 4 to 5 hours. That's why it's called filthy mushy sauce. Okay, let's get cooking. Oh no, not yet. I'm still gonna wash this, rinse this, and then chop this. Okay, my zucchini, I got 4 zucchinis here. They're already rinsed. Let's get chopping. Just chop them uniformly so it's be cooked at the same time. Although it doesn't matter because this is gonna be cooked 4 to 5 hours. So it's gonna be really mushy. Okay guys, everything's chopped up. A lot of zucchini. I'm kind of excited with this. Now I'm chopping up 1 onion. I only have red onions, so I'm just using what I've got. Splash of olive oil. Oil is hot. Now we're gonna saute the onion until they're slightly cooked. This is my first recipe that is not a Filipino dish. So it's slightly cooked now. We're gonna add all of the zucchini. Go into the pool and hang out with the onion. Stir a little bit, and then let it do its thing, like caramelize that. I try to stop myself from stirring a lot. Just leave it there. Then I'm gonna only use half of this. Should I use half or the whole thing? Sprinkle it around. Oh, I'll just use the whole thing. Chicken, nor chicken cube. And stir. Spread evenly that nor cubes. Stir one more time. And add a cup of water. And cook for 4 to 5 hours until it's really mushy. And stir it every 20-30 minutes. And turn your heat into low. Slow cook. See guys, that's how it looks like after 30 minutes. After 4 hours, actually a little more than 4 hours, this is how it looked like. Okay guys, my pasta's done. We're gonna put butter. 2 tablespoons. And then I have here my fettuccine. Here's the sauce. That was been cooking for 4 hours. Added Parmesan cheese, shredded. And this is done, guys. We're gonna plate it. Oh, parsley, plate it. Swirl. More sauce. More Parmesan cheese. And bam! Okay, what can you say?
Let's give this a try. Meghan Markle zucchini mush. It's called mush?
Mushy.
Mushy.
Filthy
Mushy filthy.
pasta sauce.
Different kind of sauce.
Approve.
The zucchini. Zucchini and onion, right? Which one?
Zucchini, nor chicken cubes, water,
No garlic?
no,
No garlic?
onions. I use the whole onion, red onion, 4 zucchinis. Cook it for 4 hours on low heat after I boil, and stir it every 20 minutes.
And this is her favorite dish?
That's what
That's what it says?
it says online.
Oh, she cook it? Or somebody cook it for her?
I don't know.
Oh, how about Harry? Does Harry like it?
I don't know. I haven't talked to Prince Harry yet.
Oh, yep. Me neither. Maybe he'll comment. Harry, comment below to see if you like this dish. That's pretty good. If you want a vegetarian version, I guess you just get rid of the chicken cube, and you need a vegetarian pasta with no egg in it.
Yeah.
And then you'd have a vegetarian version. But it's neutral sauce. So and the parsley at the end kind of brings it up a notch.
The sauce is not overpowering. I thought it's gonna be because of that chicken noodle cube, but it's not. It's not salty, even with the Parmesan cheese,
You approve?
and it's mild.
And you said you like it better than tomato sauce?
I'm not a fan of a tomato sauce. I find it acidic, so this is my my favorite now. Sauce.
Your favorite sauce? I kind of like tomatoes yet, but this is a good neutral, different kind of sauce just for zucchini, I guess. A good version.
So, my almost whole day, no, I mean, after you cook the zucchini, you know, just leave it on the stove, or you can cook it in the, throw it in the slow cooker, I think.
Yeah, just, well, for slow cooker, yeah, or something.
Because you're cooking it in low fire anyway, over the stove.
Yeah, just saute it quick and then put it in a slow cooker until it's mushy zucchini.
It's good. Approved.
Approved. Hope you guys.
Fluidity of life. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Everything.
Thanks for coming and watching. Goodbye.
Salamat po.
See you on the next vlog.